Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Nerve cell signaling can be tricky, but we can solve this biology problem fast by focusing on how to maximize the signal response between neurons. To increase the response of the second nerve cell, we need more chemical signals staying in the gap between the cells for a longer period to keep those receptors active. Preventing the signal from re-entering the first cell through the transport protein keeps the concentration high, which directly boosts the signal strength. This makes option B the perfect choice here. Options A, C, and D all either block the receptor or remove the signal faster, which would actually decrease the response instead of increasing it. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given data to avoid a rush during exams.